Yes, another problem here. Okay, abnormal sound from engine when shifting. With drivers complain, abnormal sound from fan while shifting. Look at this. That's the engine check light. Now, there is a fault for impulsible speeds in MCM control unit. See what I'm going to fix, okay? I am going to fix this. This is my fan clutch. Look at it. It's the viscous clutch, okay? It's Mercedes brand new. Okay, this is what I'm going to fix. Yes. Where is it located? There. Okay. In this case, no overheating in the vehicle. But if you're a customer, you need to stock these kind of components for mp4 and mp5. It's very common.